MetaSpark Creator AR Certification Prep. 1. Introduction to Augmented Reality, AR, and MetaSpark Creator. Overview of AR technology and its applications. Augmented Reality, AR, is an innovative technology that enhances the real-world environment by overlaying digital information and virtual objects onto it, thereby blending the physical and digital worlds. AR technology enables users to perceive and interact with computer-generated content in real time, providing a unique and immersive experience. Overview of AR technology and its applications. AR finds applications across various industries, including gaming, education, healthcare, retail, architecture, and more. In gaming, AR can bring virtual characters and objects into the real world, allowing users to engage with them in their own surroundings. In education, AR can enhance learning by providing interactive and visual content, making complex concepts more understandable. In healthcare, AR can assist surgeons during procedures by overlaying critical information onto their field of view. Introduction to the MetaSpark Creator Platform. MetaSpark Creator is a platform designed to empower creators and developers to build AR experiences easily and efficiently. It offers a range of tools, resources, and a user-friendly interface to bring AR ideas to life. The platform provides features for 3D modeling, animation, scripting, and asset management, allowing users to create interactive and engaging AR content. Understanding the basics of AR development. Few lines. To develop AR experiences, basic knowledge of AR development is essential. This includes understanding concepts such as tracking, spatial mapping, gesture recognition, and user interfaces specific to AR. Additionally, familiarity with programming languages like C#, Unity, or JavaScript can be beneficial for implementing functionality and interactivity within AR applications. 2. MetaSpark Creator Fundamentals. Navigating the MetaSpark Creator Interface. The MetaSpark Creator Fundamentals provide essential knowledge for creating immersive augmented reality, AR, experiences. By understanding how to navigate the MetaSpark Creator Interface, creators can effectively utilize its features and tools. This includes working with scenes, objects, and environments, enabling the construction of rich and interactive AR worlds. Working with scenes, objects, and environments. One key aspect of creating compelling AR experiences is applying materials and textures to 3D models. This allows creators to add realistic and visually appealing surfaces to their objects, enhancing the overall visual quality. By mastering this skill, creators can bring their virtual creations to life with stunning detail and realism. Applying materials and textures to 3D models. Lighting and shadows play a crucial role in establishing the atmosphere and depth within AR scenes. Configuring lighting settings in MetaSpark Creator enables creators to control the intensity, direction, and color of light sources. By understanding how to manipulate these settings, creators can achieve the desired mood and create dynamic and engaging AR experiences. Configuring lighting and shadows in AR scenes. Overall, mastering the MetaSpark Creator Fundamentals empowers creators to harness the full potential of the platform, enabling them to craft immersive AR experiences that captivate and inspire their audience.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.